Here is tonight's recipient for consummate piano vocal artistry, Kathleen Landis.
Maroon, in his blizzard of lies. They're eating all the dogs, they're eating all the cats. I alone can fix it, I got one, but you don't need a vax. All the news is fake, NATO's on the take. Your SS benefits are safe with me, and Tesla's doing great. Maroon, 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 in his blizzard of lies. Maroon, 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 in his blizzard of lies. When you're born a boy, but you feel more joy living on the other side. Now there are just two sexes, especially down in Texas, when you're marooned in a blizzard of lies. Day one, climate change a hoax. I barely knew Jeff Epstein. Proud Boys are good folks. Canada and Greenland, how happy you should be to join my merry kingdom and swear allegiance unto me. Maroon, 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 in this blizzard of lies. Makes an errant tap, and you end up in a messy fray. Then Don says, what's the diff if there is no skiff? I hadn't heard about it anyway. I'll stop condoms to Hamas, build hotels on Gaza Strip. Obama wasn't born here, 2020 was a chip. Ukraine started the war, Zelensky is a loser. My pal Putin tells the truth, and Hegseth's not a boozer. Maroon, 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 in his blizzard of lies. But walk on with hope in your heart, and you're in for a real big surprise. Like last week, you're 401. Did you check the numbers? When you're maroon,